Welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to my channel. Sup guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use rice water for hair growth while I'm protective styling. So I don't know if the video for this hairstyle is up yet, but if it is, definitely go check it out if you're interested in getting this look. If it's not, subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I do upload that video, okay? So for those of you who don't know, I have started the 1 month rice water challenge, and I posted that video a few Sundays back. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick how I use the rice water. So in that video I stated that I was going to use the rice water the way the Yao women do it, which was every 3 days I was going to shampoo my hair with it, use it as a shampoo, and then try to just rinse my hair out with like water and whatever. Like try to stick to exactly what they do. But my hair is not silky straight like the Yao women, and afro season all the time, all day, every day, detangling, it wasn't doing it for your girl. So I had to go back to my protective style. I'm sorry. But I'm not bailing on the rice water challenge. I'm still going to do it, but in a different way. So I wanted to take the opportunity to show you guys exactly how I'm using the rice water while my hair is in protective styles. And I know some people shy away from rice water because they like to wear their braids and their sew-ins and stuff like that, and they're thinking, am I gonna be walking around smelling like Aunt Funky, like Auntie Funky? But no, I actually did my rice water, and just go check out the video. I'll put the thing somewhere up here, somewhere in the atmosphere, somewhere. So go check that video out so you'll see exactly how I make my rice water, and I'm telling you, it does not stink, okay? So I can put rice water in my hair every other day, because that's what I'm doing now. I do the spray every other day, and I don't know. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is my rice water. It stayed in the fridge. I put it in a spray bottle. As you can see, it's not white, it's yellow, because I boiled it with the orange peel and green tea. So it's in a little spray bottle. See that? So, and that's what I use to mist it in my scalp. And then the second thing that I do is go in with a balm hair oil throughout my scalp that helps keep it moisturized and stuff, because the rice water, I mean, it's vitamin water, so it's not gonna really moisturize your scalp and keep your scalp looking shiny and stuff like that. It's basically treating it with nutrients and stuff like that, but the oil is to add shine and to add a little bit more moisture retention to keep the hair soft, you know, so it doesn't get like crunchy or anything and flaky. So let's do it. So what I usually do, I divide my hair in half. And then I start on one side. I go down the middle. Then around the edges. Then I start to go row by row. Then I do the same thing on the other side. scalp. And of course it gets, you know, a little bit on the hair. So I just take my hands just to rub the rice water just up to where my hair stops. I could spray the braids down, but I don't want to do that because I don't want my hair to like frizz up too much, you know, to have my smile looking to have my style looking raggedy 2 weeks in. I'm trying to keep it for at least the length of this rice water challenge, because of course I have to come and show you guys if I gained any length or not at the end of it. So yeah, just rub your hands through. Then the next step, while my hair is still divided into these two sections, I go in with my oil. So I just go down the middle, basically following like the exact same pattern that I did with the rice water. Middle, then edges. Then I go row by row. And now with the oil, I'm a little bit more meticulous, because I mean, it's not a wide spray that can just cover everything whether I deliberately get it or not. So I'll go ahead over to the next side. Now that I'm done putting the oil and the rice water, I like to just take my fingers and massage my scalp. Now you can go ahead and massage your scalp while hanging your head upside down, like for the inversion method. Anybody got time for that? I'll feel dizzy. So this is a really good method if you want to reap the benefits of rice water, but you don't want to give up on your styles and you don't have time to be washing your hair 3 times a week, once a week, all that jazz. And then you can go ahead and style your edges if you want, or just leave them raggedy like me. And that's it, guys. I do this every other day. So yeah, I do this every other day with the rice water and the hair oil, just to keep my scalp looking fresh and clean, and you know, keep my scalp stimulated and moisturized, and also to give my hair a bit of moisture while it's still in protective style. I can't wait to take these out at the end of this 1 month challenge and see if I've gotten any type of growth. Of course, I know my hair would have grown, but I mean, 1 month is supposed to give me, what, half an inch of growth? So I'm looking to see if I got anything more than that half an inch, okay? And if I did, I will have to continue with this. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. Like, I know you watch my videos every single week, but you're still not subscribing. Like, I see it in the analytics. Like, just subscribe to my channel. You know you're gonna keep coming back to watch my videos and see my face. But seriously though, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be informed when I upload new videos. Until next time, bye!